Over 4,400 mousetrap patents have been issued in the US alone. That's right. Humans have spent centuries obsessing over a creature smaller than your thumb. Some inventions were genius. Some were insane. Some would make a mouse stop mid-cheese and think. Maybe I should have taken up engineering instead. One revolver mousetrap, 1882. James Alexander Williams decided that the snap was too pedestrian. Why snap when you can shoot? A tiny pistol aimed at a mouse, loaded, cocked, and ready. Step wrong. BANG. Instant justice. Humans loved it. Mice, terrified for generations. Imagine a mouse stepping up to a cheese wedge and hearing the click of a gun. Nightmares. 2 miniature bear trap. 1879. Steel teeth. Snapping jaws. Compact horror. Designed like a tiny execution device, this trap made sure that mice never underestimated human ingenuity. It's brutal, efficient, and secretly kind of impressive. Some historians argue it could also work as a mouse-sized iron throne. 3. Classic snap trap 1894. The grandparents of almost every modern mousetrap. Simple, reliable, deadly. Load the bait, set the spring. Wait, humans love its elegance. Mice hate its finality. Nothing fancy, just pure mechanical poetry. And yes, every child who's ever witnessed one spring learns a small lesson in physics. And empathy, maybe, for one-way funnel trap. Ingenious in its simplicity, a mouse walks in, lured by bait, and finds the exit. Non-existent. Humans loved calling it humane because you could release the mouse later. Mice, less thrilled. Physics always wins.
4. One-way funnel trap, ingenious in its simplicity. A mouse walks in, lured by bait, and finds the exit. Non-existent. Humans love calling it humane because you could release the mouse later. Mice, less thrilled. Physics always wins.
5. Catch and release maze. 1,861 Victorians had a flair for drama. These traps didn't kill, they made mice walk through a series of tiny corridors over and over, like a deadly video game for rodents. Or maybe an unintentional mouse Groundhog Day. Perfect for science experiments. Cruelly entertaining for humans. 6. Dead end trick. 1877 humans have long loved betrayal in physics form. Mice enter a corridor full of shiny cheese, only to reach a wall. Step back! Nope. Panic ensues. Step forward. Also, nope. Humans rejoice in the ironic elegance. Mice reconsider all life choices. 7 Electric Death House 1911, a trap that truly said, science meets horror. Mice touch a tiny metallic plate, circuits close. Zap. A puff of smoke. Sigh from humans. An existential crisis for the mouse. Electricity has never been so theatrical. 8 mouse-powered machines. Some inventors didn't want to kill mice, they wanted labor. Tiny wheels, levers, and pulleys were powered by mice running endlessly. The first unpaid interns in history. Humans got data. Mice got cardio. 9-jar trap, simple, cheap, elegant. Place bait under a glass jar. Prop it with a stick. Mouse enters. Stick falls. Mouse trapped. Humans clap. Mice panic. Lesson learned. Gravity always wins. Bonus! Occasionally humans tested themselves. Hilarious consequences. 10 glue traps, morally questionable, undeniably effective. Mice stuck fast while humans watched tiny struggles unfold. It's equal parts science and comedy, though some say it's a little mean. Still, sticky situations have always fascinated humans. 11 bucket trap ramps, bait buckets, essentially a mini Ferris wheel of doom. Mice slide, fall, land in a pit. Sometimes humans add water for drama. Sometimes they forget and laugh at the absurdity. Physics works, humor happens. 12 pneumatic overkill. One inventor thought, why just trap when you can obliterate? Pneumatic cylinder hits a mouse with over 100 pounds of force. Definitely overkill. Definitely funny. Definitely patented. Sun sensor activated. Electronic traps, motion sensors, lasers, and tiny doors. Step wrong. The trap springs automatically. Humans call it modern justice. Mice call it, I didn't sign up for this level of terror. Perfect for tech lovers and lazy exterminators alike. 14 vacuum cat trap designed like a cat. Suction-based. Mouse steps in. Whoosh! Immediately thinks it's dinner time. Humans love the idea of robotic predators. Mice, not so much. Bonus points for terrifying the neighbor's cats. 15 automatic rolling bar. Mouse crosses a beam, bar swings. Mouse tumbles. Comedy in slow motion. Physics in fast motion. Humans love the tiny choreography. Mice learn humility. 16 tiny guillotine trap mini blade drops when bait is taken. Medieval flair. Modern engineering. Absolutely terrifying for the mouse. Strangely satisfying for humans. 17 springboard launcher. Step wrong. Launch into the air. Perfect for demonstrating principles of leverage and gravity. Humans laugh. Mice scream internally. 18 cage with it twists. Multi-door labyrinths. Mice wander. Spin. Panic. Maybe escape. Humans marvel at the tiny ingenuity. Mice reconsider their career choices. 19 bull lamp plate contraption mouse triggers a rolling ball, ends up trapped. Science, laughter, and a tiny lesson in momentum. Humans watch. Mice spin. Physics wins again. 20 rotating cylinder, trap bait inside a cylinder. Mouse enters. Cylinder spins. Mouse falls into a bucket. Humans cheer quietly at the elegant simplicity. Mice reevaluate their life decisions mid-spin. 21 plus bonus madness. Humans have also invented paint-dropping traps to tag mice for science. Miniature Rube Goldberg contraptions that chain multiple traps together. Robotic arms that detect motion and act like tiny mechanical assassins. Each design tells the same story. Humans are ridiculously inventive when faced with a tiny, clever opponent. Closing hook! Over 4,400 patented designs. Thousands. More on some humane, some insane, all brilliant. Mice are small. Yes, but humans! We will invent, overthink, experiment, laugh, and over-engineer for centuries to come.